Antarctica, the coldest continent on Earth. Yet despite this peaceful front, don't be surprised if you come across an Antarctica military base in the form of a research center in the South Pole Station. One of the contractors from the base was who shed light on this. The name is Eric Hecker, Warheads. He is a Raytheon contractor at the South Pole in 2010 who was based out of the United States. He claims that in the South Pole Station there is an ice cube neutrino observatory. The Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory is a cubic kilometer particle detector made of Antarctic ice and located near the Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station. It is buried beneath the surface, extending to a depth of about 2,500 meters. It is the largest neutrino telescope in the world, and it costs about $279 million to construct. It was built to explore and understand more about neutrinos, the most abundant particles that have mass in the universe. In simple terms, it looks at spectrums of light we cannot detect optically to understand more about the nature of our reality. Research at the facility also includes glaciology, geophysics, meteorology, upper atmosphere physics, astronomy, astrophysics, and biomedical research. However, there is much more going on there. Yes, the Ice Cube Neutrino indeed does what its primary purposes are. To the outside world, it is said to be a passive listening device, but it's so much more than that. For starters, it can also be used as a directed energy weapon. This is because the 5,160 digital optical modules, DOMs, embedded in the ice can transmit at 2,047 volts of power each. That is 10,562,520 total volts. Monstrously more than a passive listening device would ever need. Typical research satellites operate at only 200 to 800 watts or 2 to 8 volts at 100 amps. This tech is so powerful it generates earthquakes. When it was first fired up, it caused earthquakes in Christchurch, New Zealand. So it's an earthquake generating device that no one knows its full capacities because it's been kept under wraps, but we do know something for sure. It's a weapon of war. The technology can also provide faster than light communication and is essentially an air traffic controlling system from highly advanced spacecraft not disclosed to the public. With such huge power outputs, maybe, just maybe, it is a non-sanctioned nuclear station that is being kept under wraps.